The previous period we discussed about the globalization. This is the third period on chapter number 4, globalization and the Indian economy. In this period we are going to discuss the foreign trade and integration of market. In history you studied that the history of trade and how to connect our country with other country. The trade is only one channel. One country can be connected to another country. It has a long time period. Foreign trade has been the main channel connecting the countries. And in the past, trade route connecting India and South Asia to the market both in East and West. There is a history, it shows the trade route India, Asia and other countries. Now, this trade interest which attracted the various trading companies such as the East India Company attract to India, and many companies, Dutch, East India companies and many companies attracted to India and set up their production in our country. But in modern time, the foreign trade of market, but what are the different ways to integrate the market? There are the different way the one country can be integrated to another country. The first is that the foreign trade create the opportunities for the producer to reach their product, to reach their commodities beyond the domestic market. It means domestic country to another country, that is market of their own countries. Foreign trade provide the opportunities to the producer to reach their product beyond the domestic market to another country or other market. This is the one way, and the producer, the manufacturers can having the opportunities to sell their product not only in the market of located within the country, provide the platform to sell their product in another country. Not only the provide the platform, also compete the markets located in the other countries of the world. It means they face the problem of competition and compete their product to with other countries' product. In this way, the foreign trade provide the opportunities to the producer to sell their product in beyond the market, as well as to improve the quality of product, and competition always improve the quality of the product. Therefore, nowadays having the competition among all the business or product. Now, same way for the buyer, what is the benefit of the buyer? Buyer nowadays having the choice to buy the goods or article. Due to the foreign trade integration of the market, the buyer having the choice for the buyers of import of the goods produced in one way of expanding the choice of the goods beyond that is domestically produced. Which was the domestically produced? It was the buyers was the purchase, but nowadays having the choice. Take an example of this Chinese toys. In your textbook, having the example, they capture the Indian market. The 70 to 80% the consumers, they are buying the Indian Chinese toys. Why? Because comparatively Indian toys and Chinese toys, they are cheap, and Chinese toys are made from the plastic. Due to that use of plastic, the production cost decrease, and the Chinese toys, they are selling their toys in Indian market, and consumers are getting in less price the Chinese toys. Therefore, the more demand of the Chinese toys is in our country more, and less demand for the Indian toys. Due to that one, what happens on Indian market? As a result of the trade between China and India, the Chinese toys came in Indian market. In the competition between Indian and Chinese toys prove the better, and the Indian buyers have greater choice of toys and at the lower price. For the Chinese toys market, this provide an opportunity to expand business. The opposites is true for the Indian toys market. They face the loss of their toys and selling the much less. Two impact on the Indian market, good and bad impact. It is good for the consumer and adversely effect on the producers or manufacturer. Take another example. Due to the MNCs, multinational corporation, small traders of ready-made garment facing the stiff competition from the MNCs brand and import. The consumers are getting the attractive and good quality product which are imported from the other countries or manufactured in multinational companies. Their production cost is less, and the small manufacturer, the small shops are waiting for the customer. These are the few impact on the Indian market. Let's discuss the globalization and Indian economy. What are the impact of the Indian economy in next period? Thank you.